Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have RAZER Hammerhead HyperSpeed wireless headphones and I'm going to show you how to change ear tips. At first we have to remove both of our headphones from our case. Now to remove our ear tip we have to do something like that and then pull it straight towards us. As you can see, now we don't have our ear tip. To put this again, for example a new one, we have to do the same with the ear tip and just pull it straight onto our speaker. And that's literally it. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.